Welcome to Products Review, your trusted source for honest reviews and recommendations on the latest products. Today we are going to talk about the Product Skull Shaver Pitbull Gold Pro Head Shaver for Men. Wet, dry 4-razor hair trimmer with a USB adapter is USB adapter, rotary chargeable rotary shaver with lithium-ion battery, water-resistant grooming kit. This electric head shaver is designed with precision in mind, allowing for smooth shaving with the help of its Ford rotary shaver that adapts to the contours of the face, neck, and even the jaw for a more comfortable and efficient experience. Additionally, the ultra-flexible pivoting blades and compact design make it perfectly suitable for shaving. The ergonomic handle provides more confidence and ease of use, and the integrated lithium-ion battery with USB cable allows for quick charging and up to 90 minutes of cordless use. The IPS5 water resistance technology also allows for a comfortable dry shave or a refreshing wet shave. All of these features make it a great grooming kit for those who are always on the go. Did you like the product? The purchase link is in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you later.